So, what are the hallucinogens? So this is the relative harm caused by drugs, okay? So if you notice, far and away, the two things that kill Americans are the legal things, actually, okay? So alcohol causes you to hurt other people largely, but it also damages your own liver. And then also the tobacco, okay, where lots of people are dying from lung cancer and whatnot. Of course, there's some heavy hitters like heroin and crack cocaine and meth. Those are known problems, okay? Marijuana, this is basically, they asked a bunch of British experts, like, hey, what drug do you think is hurting a lot of other folks? And they actually put marijuana very high, higher than anyone else did, actually, okay? So that's actually surprising. And then if you look down here, these are a lot of the hallucinogens are down here, okay? Turns out if you take LSD, it's unlikely that you're actually going to go hurt anybody. You might have a really bad evening, but it's unlikely that you're going to hurt people in the same way that someone that is drunk driving will, okay? This also has to do with how many people are taking these things. There's not a whole lot of people that are out there taking khat in this country. They're just not. So it's not surprising that there aren't a lot of those folks, but there are a whole bunch of people drinking. And so a little bit of this, it kind of hides the fact that a lot of these substances are exceptionally dangerous. It's just that people aren't taking them as commonly because it's hard to get them, okay? This is basically a Lancet article. There's a graph that shows basically how much dependence things are caused by and then what amount of physical harm happens, okay? And you'll see that the farther up here you get, the worse you want to be. You don't want to be in the top right of this graph, okay? Because it means that you both aren't able to stop taking this medicine, or I shouldn't say medicine, this drug, but it also means that it's more likely to hurt you, okay? A lot of hallucinogens come down in this way, which is one of the reasons that many people are using them and you don't necessarily know it. Because there's a lot of people smoking pot in Augusta. Most of them don't come to the emergency department.